Ever made a mistake and felt like there's no way back? Like you've burned bridges and there's no hope for redemption? Let's talk about the prodigal son. This young man took his inheritance, squandered it on reckless living, and hit rock bottom. But when he returned home, his father didn't just welcome him back, he celebrated his return with open arms. In 2025, we live in a world that often feels unforgiving. Cancel culture, social media shame, and the pressure to be perfect can make it seem like one mistake defines us forever. But this story reminds us that it's never too late to start over. Whether you've made a bad decision, failed at something, or just feel lost, there's always a chance for redemption. The key? Humility and the courage to take that first step back. And for those of us on the other side, maybe it's time to extend grace to others, just like the Father did. Because in a world that's quick to judge, kindness and forgiveness can change everything. So what's your story? Are you the prodigal son, needing to come home? Or are you the father, ready to welcome someone back? Let's make 2025 the year of second chances. Share your thoughts below. Have you experienced a moment of redemption or forgiveness? Let's inspire each other to keep moving forward. Please subscribe, like, and share if you're ready to climb your mountain and find your focus. Have an amazing day. God bless.